friends, welcome to the YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. Today is Wellness Wednesday and I'm going to talk about what is HIIT workout. You must have heard this term. It has become very fancy these days and almost everyone is advocating about it. So what is this? We are going to understand that in today's video. So if you are someone who is trying to understand what kind of workout format I should adopt, then this series of videos would help you, where I'm trying to educate you on different workout formats and I'm trying to let you understand the basics of exercises, how exercises help us, and which is the right format of workout based on the science behind the workout for different bodies. And this video is just part of that. So stay tuned with me till the end. Let's begin. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, which means a person who is doing this workout format gives away almost 100% of its energy in order to perform a short span but a high intensity, high energy consuming workout. And that's why it's in format of an anaerobic type of exercise. High intensity interval training basically comprises of movements like sit-ups, push-ups, burpees, jumping jacks, jump squats, split jumps, tricep dips, etc. The body needs to give 100% of its effort to a quick, intense burst of exercises which are short in nature but high in the energy level, which means the requirement of the energy is very high. And sometimes it also requires an active recovery period for the body to come back to the normal. Since in this type of exercise, there is a high demand of oxygen by the body, even after completion of the exercise during the recovery period, the body needs good amount of oxygen, and that's why there is high amount of calories breakdown as well as fat breakdown, due to which the body will lose much more calories, much more weight compared to any other form of aerobic exercises or else any kind of steady state exercises. Hence, HIIT workouts are ideal format of workouts for someone who is very specifically looking for weight loss. High intensity interval training workout makes sure that your heart rates are up and there is more fat loss. And that's why this complete workout can be called as fat loss workout format also. So what are the benefits of this HIIT interval training? There are few but very effective benefits. One of that is your metabolism increases. Now your body has this tendency to store all the energy. But if you have got a good metabolic system, what will the body do is, it will kind of constantly digest your food in a good way and will utilize the energy in the right areas and will not convert them into the fats, which is a kind of a storage system for the body. That's the reason whenever you complete your HIIT workout, even after completion of your workout, when you have left the gym, till 48 hours, your body is still burning or is losing calories. And that's the most important benefit of HIIT interval training. The second most important benefit of HIIT workouts are they need no equipments. The exercise formats, even though can be done with certain level of equipments, but there are many movements, many type of exercises which actually requires no equipment, nothing, which means you can do these exercises anywhere, be it at home, be it outside in the park, or else whenever you are traveling. So these are travel friendly workouts as well, and it doesn't take much of your time. So you don't have to invest a lot of time of yours in doing these exercises. And the third is they are convenient form of exercise. If you look at the movements, as I said, the examples of HIIT training workouts like sit-ups, push-ups, tricep dips, etc. If you see, these movements are actually very simple. So it doesn't take long for you to understand this exercise, how to do. There are very less chances of wrong movements here, and here what you're doing is you're doing it in short span and putting all the energy levels that you can in this. So it does what it does is it makes this entire workout program for you quick, convenient and cheap, and that's the pretty good benefit that it provides you. So the moral of this entire video today would be to tell you that if you who are someone who is looking to improve your energy levels, improve the metabolic system of your body, if you're someone who is looking to reduce your body weight, then HIIT workouts, or else, which is also called as high intensity interval training workout, are ideal for you. And even if you are someone who is busy in your day-to-day work routine, you have got a lot of responsibilities, then also this is an ideal workout format, as it doesn't take much of your time, much of your energy, much of your, yes, it does take your energy levels, but it doesn't take much of your time. You don't need fancy equipments for them, and thus it's pretty convenient for you. So I hope this video kind of motivated you to understand and dive deeper into understanding at first pace what are the different formats of exercise and which one should be the one that you should choose according to your body needs, your goals, as well as your requirements. My intention here is to educate you on different workout formats, and I'm going to do this over and over again every Wednesday. So make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to YouTube channel HealthQ for more such health information videos. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.